up, YouTube? It's your boy Matt Trades here, and I've decided to. I got in this trade on Euro JPY for a sell, and don't mind me, I literally am tired, y'all. But I got in this trade, and I was like, okay, let me record this trade or try to catch it. Right now, I'm back at break even, but I got in this trade. The reason I got in this trade is because we basically have market structure. We have a head, a shoulder, and a shoulder, which means this thing's about to probably drop a couple pips or however far it wants to. We also have the gap right here. So right now I have a 10 lot running on this trade. I'm up $300 right now, but yeah, now I'm up $368. I basically got in this trade because look at this, and we're gonna hit TP here pretty soon. Sorry, y'all, they cut off, but I got in this trade at around 9 o'clock a.m. I mean, I usually don't trade at 9 a.m., but when I seen this head and shoulders, I just had to take it. So basically, we have our. Let me get the tool. We have our shoulder right there, our left shoulder, our right shoulder, and then the head. And how you trade head and shoulders is when it's a head and shoulders, that means it's probably going to drop. So I'm really just trading this purely off of market structure. But I did get in. I know right now I'm up. Sorry, y'all. I'm a little bit tired. I'm not gonna lie. I'm up $200. I have a 10 lot running. I'm risking 25 pips to catch 25. A little quick 1-to-1. As you see, the market is falling right here. But yeah, we'll see what happens. Let's just watch the trade play out. You that probably have never traded head and shoulders, where you would want to put your stop losses at is above the shoulder. See how this is a shoulder? Well, I'd say this right here. So kind of this or this, but if you want to be safe, put this as a shoulder. You want your stop loss to be above the shoulder. Anything, if it goes above here, then it was just not a valid head and shoulders, and you move on with the next trade. But this is where you want to be safe at, you know. So that's why I put my stop loss a little bit above here, you know. Um, Previous high is high, yeah. So that's why I put it right there. But if it goes past this point, then I was just wrong, and I'll move on to the next trade. So, oh, dang, I didn't have my mic over here. So you probably couldn't hear me, but yeah, it's been a morning. So anyway, I took this head and shoulders pattern. Left shoulder, right shoulder, head and shoulders. Stop loss above the shoulder. Anything past here, this head and shoulders was just invalid. I'm going for a 1-to-1. I'm risking 25 pips. As you see right now, I'm in drawdown. Drawdown's part of the game. I'm not worried. Trying to catch 25 pips, and I'm risking 25 pips. So let's see. Now we're back in profit. It's break even. But jeez, as y'all see, the fluctuations that happen in trading is crazy. Oh, now we're back in profit. But will we hit TP? Let's find out. Can't let your emotions get the best of you when you're trading. You have to set and almost forget. Be okay with the outcome. Know that you took the trade. You always take, and have no attachments to the money. Let things happen. We're deep in profit, y'all. Yeah, let's see TB gets hit. We're just trying to catch 25 pips. And our Eurjpy, that's not even a lot of pips that this thing likes to move. So we're gonna see. 25 pips should be a breeze for this shit to hit. Like, I'm really valid in this stuff, y'all. Like I ain't trying to be cocky or nothing, but I done studied the game a lot. Like, I'm really valid in this. And one thing why I'm confident on here is, if you know anything about gaps, we have a major gap right here. Look at that. This is a perfect area to put my TP at. A perfect area or zone. This little gap, this wants to get filled. This is a gap area. This gap area is going to get filled. And then we kind of have another gap right here, but this is the gap. So see how price just moved a little perfect off of that? Like, that didn't happen for no reason. Like, the market knows that there's a gap right here. This gap is going to get filled at least. And then it might fill right here too. This is a smaller gap that never got filled, but you know, doing big things, man. Stop loss don't even have to be that high, but it could literally be right here, and then my 1-to-1 would have been somewhere right here. But you know, just to be safe, we're just gonna put it right there. I know the lower low is made. Low. Okay, so here's a low, lower low, lower low. So we're making lows. We're making higher lows. So let's just see. Now I'm really up $1,000 right now. You know, look at this textbook. I'm telling y'all. And I might take TP when it hits that second green line. I'm not gonna lie. I might just take it. I'm not gonna be greedy, because that'll only be 9 or 10 pips off from what I'm at. But yeah, now I'm up really 900 or no, $1,000. You know, but we're gonna see. Valid in this stuff, bro. And then we have this. It broke it. Literally just broke this neckline and retested it. So I think this thing is gonna keep melting a little bit below here. But obviously, we're gonna play it by ear. TP is getting close, y'all. Let's see how much we're up. We're up 1.1K now on the trade. As you'll see, you got to be confident getting in these trades. Even when it goes negative, you cannot let that rapid drawdown is part of the game. Honestly, I'm not going to lie. I'm going to take profit at 143.340. So, you know what? Actually, I'm not going to be greedy, because I'm already up 17 pips. Literally, now that this structure has been, I can move my stop loss. Doesn't have to be so far out. And then I can literally put it right here. That's still 20 pips. Now I'm risking 15 pips for 20 pips. Yeah, I'm gonna move my stop loss. I don't care, because I'm trading the gap. Honestly, I'm about to probably just take profit right now and not be greedy. I'm up 1.2K. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take profit. I'm up 1.2K, and boom. trade done. I took profit. I just went ahead and took profit, y'all. There's no reason. It's a Wednesday. Sometimes the market can be a little choppy. This is probably going to hit TP, but that just shows you I'm not greedy. As long as I catch some of the move, I'm good. And I knew that my stop loss could be moved even closer because this structure, 1 hit, 2 hit, 3 hits, wasn't able to move. And look, it hit my TP. Like, see, I could have left it, but see that? Like, that y'all TP smacks. But as y'all see, I wasn't greedy and I got out before it even hit my TP. Sometimes that's okay. But yeah, that's how you trade. Like, y'all see that? I was negative, didn't let myself get rattled. Basically it was just me trading the head and shoulders pattern. Like, I seen a pattern, I was like, okay, let me take this pattern. Shoulder, left shoulder, right shoulder, and broke. Got in even aggressive before he even broke the neckline of the head and shoulders. That was the break, the retest of the neckline, and look, boom, it hit exactly to where my TP was set. I told you that I knew this gap was going to get filled. This is a big gap. So, damn, I'm valid in this shit, bro. But y'all see that? I don't know what to say. I literally called it out. Y'all seen it? This was a live Eurjpy trade. It's simple. I mean, it's simple, but you have to know the ins and outs. You have to know your technical analysis. What that is technical analysis. Like, I don't pay attention to fundamental. It's all technical. It went straight to 25 pip. My quick little 25 pips. You know, I got out a little early. Like, I was like 8 to 10 pips off, but that's okay because I was like, well, this gap that the market likes to kind of fill gaps, because this area right here to the left of me never got filled in. So that was a perfect TP area to have. Let's see how it's kind of working off that gap area. It might go back in it, but it kind of broke, retested, kind of gave a little, rejection. But, that's pretty much how I looked at this trade. Left shoulder, right shoulder, head and shoulders. This means, like, the market probably wants to come down. So I took the trade. I got in a little aggressive. I was in drawdown, but, I was okay. I knew where to put my stop loss. And if it hit my stop loss, then it was just going to keep going that direction to the upside. But yeah, that's a live trade on Eurjpy. Anyway, make sure you guys subscribe. It's your boy Matt Trades signing out. Peace.